The overall goal of this procedure is to demonstrate the electrical energy generation via chemical combustion from thermopower waves. This is accomplished by first preparing core nanomaterials such as multi-walled carbon nanotubes by thermochemical vapor deposition. The second step is synthesis of the hybrid composite of core nanomaterials and chemical fuels by wet impregnation method. Next, thermopower wave generators composed of hybrid composites and the attached electrodes are manufactured. The copper electrodes are connected to hybrid composites by silver paste. The final step is measuring the output voltage, corresponding temperature, and reaction propagation velocity from the thermopower waves by means of using the oscilloscope, optical pyrometers, and a high-speed microscopic system. Ultimately, the protocol of thermopower wave experiments shows critical steps that enable thermopower waves for optimized thermal wave propagation and electrical energy generation.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods like conventional combustion to produce the electric energy is that there is no need of mechanical parts like compressor or turbine.
This method can help answer key questions in new types of power sources for the micro and nanoscale field, such as smart dust applications and micro and nano robotics and actuators, because it directly generates high specific power using chemical fuels with high energy density. Moreover, the thermopower wave is generated without any mechanical moving part, so that the generator can be shrinkable and integrated.